In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail storage full. If you've seen warnings that your mailbox is out of space, here's what's going on. Gmail gives you 15 gigabytes of free storage, and that space is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. When the shared storage fills up, Gmail can't send or receive new messages, so clearing space quickly is essential. Start with the fastest fix. Open Gmail in your browser, head to the spam folder, and delete everything there. Then open the trash or bin and delete everything there as well. Remember, messages in trash still count toward your storage until you empty it, so don't skip this part. Next, tackle the biggest space hogs, large attachments. In the Gmail search bar, type exactly has attachment larger 10M. This shows emails with attachments larger than 10 megabytes. Select the messages you don't need and click delete. If you're seeing too many results, you can raise that number to target only the very largest files. Take a quick look through the list before deleting in case there's something you want to keep, and when you're done, go back to trash and empty it to actually reclaim the space. Now clear out older emails that have quietly piled up. In the search bar, type older than Y. This pulls up messages older than a year, including ones with attachments. Select what you no longer need and click delete. Again, follow it up by emptying the trash to free the storage immediately. While you're in Gmail, clean the cluttered tabs that usually hold marketing and notifications. Open the Promotions tab, select all, and delete. Then do the same in the Social tab. These messages often add up and can include attachments that eat into your quota. To understand where your space is really going, visit one.google.com/storage in your browser. You'll see a breakdown across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. Since storage is shared, this view helps you confirm that your cleanup in Gmail is making a difference, or whether most of the space is actually in Drive or Photos. If you want a rapid reset, here's the quick clean sequence that frees space in minutes. Delete everything in spam and trash, search for has, attachment larger 10M, and delete what you don't need, then empty trash again. Many people recover 1 to 5 gigabytes with just this pass. Take a breath, refresh Gmail, and you should see your storage bar drop. With these simple searches and cleanups, you'll keep your inbox lean and your email flowing.